What did Papa do today? If you're interested, stay tuned and I'll for sure show you. Let's see what Papa did today. Let me get a little, it's time for a little blue tea. Yeah, booger. That keeps my blue tea cold. I see. Man, we've been working in the yard. Wait till you see. You know what? I'm just going to show you. This is an upcoming. I'm going to show you a better picture of this, but from Dan Home in the Sticks. I put a gutter up. It's an old gutter, been sitting around, you know, just like I got a turlet. I got to figure out what to do with that. I need more, but I got strawberries growing in it. Yeah, that's very different than I've ever done before, and it's growing in hay. Got me some hay. Here, check out. See? There's the hay. There's the hay right there. Well, let's just go around the yard, and I'll tell you everything I did today. And I also cooked something today. Let's go, Papa. So there's my little strawberry patch. That video will be coming out soon. I need more down there. I know that, but this is really cool. And see, it's on a gutter. And it's right behind where you're going to see it in a lot of videos. Ain't that cool? Yeah. Oh yeah, there's that hay. I gotta be doing something with that. Taters looking good. I added more corn. I need to plant that stuff right there. Oh, I took the old doghouse down. Check that out. Yeah. So what we're gonna do with that? Hang on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a door on the front, fill it with dirt. Might take me a while. It's a lot of dirt. And put taters in it. And I open up the door to pull out a couple of taters and go in there and cook them and eat them. Yeah. That'd be really cool. And over here, I had 16 spots and 14 seeds. So I bought more gourd seeds, fixed them in there, and then look at that. I filled those up too. So we'll see how that goes on this really cool trellis I put up. That'd be awesome. Maters are maters. Right. Check that out. I put a couple potatoes in there that I found. They're growing, baby. I wonder how they're going to turn out. Well, somewhere in here, I'm gonna leave you a picture or a video of my beef ribs. I'm not sure where I'll do it. Well, don't know how good you can see that, but that's my completed beef ribs. Smoked beef ribs. But I'll throw that in there. Other than that, it's been an awesome day, awesome weather. I was sleeping outside. I heard the train a couple times. Birds. The birds woke me up. Yeah. And then I had me a little nap in the middle of the day. That's just pop. Yeah. Alright, we'll catch you on the tubes. That was my day. What was your day about? Hit my dinner bell and you'll know when dinner's ready, because Papa cooks awesome. Yeah. The rib video's coming out Thursday for the field day. There's a hashtag Phil in Florence. Check it out on Thursday, and there'll be a lot of people cooking. Alright, you don't have to do it on Thursday. You know, some people did it a little before, some will do it after, but it's all respect to Phil. Alright, take care, and God bless. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See y'all. Yeah.
Heading down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way into North Carolina. Staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights.
Pretty cool song.